Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chab, and for today I did this e-girl transformation, and I've been wanting to do this for a while because they look so cool. Like they look like it's like the complete opposite of what I go for with my makeup, and I thought it would be fun to do. So if you don't know what an e-girl is, an e-girl's like they're kind of like emo girls, like they have this aesthetic like winged liner and a graphic drawing and a super highlighted nose with blush on it, and they mainly they're mainly on TikTok, I guess. So yeah, I thought I would try the look out for myself, and yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm looking at a picture of an e-girl now, and they have like super pouty lips and a big wing, straight brows, blush, even on their nose. So yeah, I'm gonna try to replicate that, and we'll see how it goes. Especially with my brows, they're not straight at all. They have a very prominent arch. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And I chose this one because it's not super glowy, and I noticed that the e-girls, they don't really glow. I mean, they do. Like, they have highlight, but it's not like an all-over effect. So yeah, I'm just dotting that on my face. And the thing is, like, it doesn't even look like they wear bronzer or anything. And I love bronzer, so what am I gonna do? Wow, I'm shook. I haven't used this foundation in a long time, and it still matches me pretty well. Okay, and then I'm gonna conceal, so I'm gonna get the boring parts out of the way first. I'm gonna do them real quick because I want to get to the fun part already. Oh yeah, and I wanted to conceal a bit around my lips because you're gonna see what I'm gonna do later. They have super pouty upper lips. Like, how do they do that? And they're like teenagers. Like, I don't think they get fillers already. So yeah, going over my lips, I want to cover like the lip line a bit, and then I'm gonna powder with my trusty Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I want to be pretty matte, especially in my forehead. It's like their skin is blurred. Like, how do they do that? Can TikTok do? Oh yeah, TikTok can do that. They don't really wear bronzer, but I'm gonna contour a little bit because I can't not. I'm using my Anastasia contour kit. Yes, it's so disgusting already. This is pretty old, but I love this kit so much. This is like one of the first like makeup things I bought. And I'm just gonna go a little bit there. I just kind of want to blend the foundation with my natural hairline using the contour. They're like, the e-girls, they look cute. Like, they look intimidating, but they look cute. So I don't want to do like a full sculpt because I still want to look like cute. And I'm gonna just hit that there. Just a little bit for some definition. I'm not gonna go all the way because this part's gonna be covered in blush, but I just want a little bit of shape on with my nose. Okay, so that's the base done. That was quick. Okay, next the brows, and this is gonna be tricky because all these e-girls, I think they shave their brows here because it's like completely straight. So I'm gonna shave my brows. Kidding. No. I'm gonna try my best to draw them like straight. So yeah, good luck to me. And then I'm gonna brush them up with brow soap. So yeah, I forgot my brush. Be right back. I'm gonna brush my brows up first, just to get them neat before I place the product. And then I'm gonna do my brows in upward strokes. Okay, I think it will be impossible for me to like completely do straight brows because my brows have a prominent arch. I really think they shave their brows because that's like, how do you not have a tail? Well, I guess some people really don't have tails, but I do, and I refuse to shave it. I'm gonna brush it out. I'm honestly not even doing anything different. And there you go, our brows are done. Okay, those are kind of the boring parts of my face. Maybe I should have done them off camera. Oh well. Oh wait, I'm not done. I forgot, I wanted to use brow soap to try and brush my brows up. So yeah, brow soap, brow soap looks like this. And yeah, it's soap. It's soap that you put on your brows so that they stay in place all day. Mine looks gross. You're actually supposed to wet it, but I find that if you don't, it's easier to like apply, and it's easier to get your brows to stand. Because when it's wet, it's like too wet, and then it's a whole thing, and then you have to wait for it to dry, and I don't have the time and patience for that. See, do you see, like the hairs are just standing? I kind of love that effect. They just look more fluffy and full, and I'm so into that look. Okay, now we're actually done with the boring parts. So now we're gonna do the eyes. I'm using my Norvina Volume 3 palette. And I'm using this one because it has like pink shades. And like a lot of their eye makeup's like pink and purple. So yeah, these are, see, so cute. I love this palette. I don't use it enough. I'm putting a purple shade on my outer corner first, and I want to blend that into my crease later. I just wanted to see how it would look. I forgot to put primer down, but whatever. TBH, I could just put this on my eye for like an all-over wash. It looks like really purple in the pan, but on my eye it looks more red. I mean pink. So yeah, e-girls, they kind of look grungy, but still like goth but cute. I really don't know how to explain it. Then I'm gonna take this color and hope I don't ruin the look. Oof. I forgot that these shadows are super pigmented, so there's a lot of fallout. And I didn't put powder down. Oh well. On my eye it looks a bit patchy, but it's my bad. I didn't put down primer, so I'm forgetting a lot of things today. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like that, and then I'm gonna take the small brush again on the purple. I actually want to mix these shades, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line because they have like a lot of eyeshadow on their lower lash lines as well. And I'm extending it down because theirs go like all the way down. And I'm going to circle my whole eye. It's actually cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, that's my eyeshadow done. Looks good. Now for the nerve-wracking part, which is the eyeliner. And their wings are crazy. Like, their wings are so big. So, I don't know how I'm gonna make that work for my eye, but we'll do it. gosh, this wing is so big. The color did. Okay, that looks good. It's huge though. I don't normally wear my eyeliner that big. Next eye. And the struggle is always to like keep it symmetrical, but we shall see. Okay, those are both my wings done. That was actually so fast. Oh my god, no! I just let it dry. Okay, got rid of most of it. We're back on track. We're back on track, guys. Okay, next is mascara, and I just got this today. It's the Téviant Mascara, and there are two sides to it. One is for your upper lash line and one is for your lower lash line. And I'm excited because these e-girls, they have like the fullest lower lashes. It's crazy, and I actually love the look. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. We're gonna try the new mascara. Okay, what does this look like? Ooh, there's like fibers. I actually really like fiber mascaras, because you know they're gonna give you volume and length, girl. Okay, this isn't really doing anything. I feel like I have to wait for it to dry a bit, like the mascara itself. Actually, no, that's not looking too bad. Yeah, I think Lash Paradise by L'Oreal gives your lashes more volume. Although it's lengthening quite nicely. Yeah. Actually, it looks good. I feel like if my eyeliner wasn't so big, you'd be able to see it more. That like added a lot of length. Wow. Okay, now for the lower lashes. I wonder if it's the same formula. Probably is. Oh my gosh, it's like so small. Help. That's so cute. It's so small. Guess you could like really get in there then. Wow, it looks so natural though. I'm shook. I feel like for everyday this would be great, but since I'm doing an e-girl look, I need to like really exaggerate it. So I might go in with my Lash Paradise after this. But wow, that looks so good. Can you see that? I'm impressed. I'm excited to try it on like a normal makeup day. Wow, it really gets in there. That looks so good. It looks really good in person. But since I am doing an e-girl look, I'm gonna exaggerate the lashes more, especially the lower lashes, with my trusty L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. See, you see what I'm talking about? That's how they look. Made my eyes look so big. Okay, next is blush, and their blush is like, it goes all the way. It's like here and then here, and then just a bit. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm just gonna do it. So we're gonna hit the nose first. Oof, yeah, it's like that. That's really how they look, huh? They look like a sad clown. I'm so pink. I'm so pink, and then I add more. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for blush. Next, I'm gonna highlight, and I'm gonna use my Glossier Play NiteShine. And they always have like a really highlighted nose. And the tops of my cheeks. And a bit on the bridge. This highlighter is so good. It's pretty new to my collection too. Okay, it's coming together. Last step, the lips. And these girls have like the poutiest lips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna overdraw this part, but I'm gonna make it go down this part, so it just looks like that. That's how they look. It's like okay, enough. I'm not gonna overdraw it too much though. But do you see what I mean? I'm like drawing it up and then I'm going all the way down. It's like a baby, like baby's lips. Okay, I think I'm done overdrawing the upper lip. I'm not gonna line the lower lips anymore because I want it to be like more diffused. I just overdrew as a guide. It was more for me. I'm taking my MAC lipstick. This is in Mystical. I think this is limited edition. Yeah, it's blue. And I'm just following the line. And then I'm gonna pat it on my lower lip because I don't want it to be too behind. Okay, I can't get my lips quite like theirs, but oh, and these egirls, they always have like a graphic whatever here. Like they draw something. So I'm gonna draw a heart. Because I'm basic like that. And I feel like if I draw anything more complicated, I'm gonna mess up. Already messed up. Okay, I feel like I want to add to my lips or something. I feel like they're not pouty enough. Now that like I'm seeing the look. Actually, looks okay. By the way, this is the MAC lip pencil in Soar. As in like birds that soar, not like soar like it hurts. I think that's done. I'm gonna, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna fix my hair and then I'm gonna put on a jacket or something to look more egirl. And I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look. Very not me. But that was really fun. Like I got to use palettes I don't use often. And I got to try new makeup, so that's always exciting. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye!